Hey everyone, Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Today, I'm doing a video here for you, and I want to talk about wood destroying insects and what we can do to prevent those when we're providing our exterior wood restoration services. The bottom line is we're not exterminators, and exterminators really are the ones that are licensed and the ones that people need to call as far as really the in-depth part of removing wood destroying insects, be it termites, carpenter bees, etc., etc. But there is one thing we can do, and we can add products to our coatings that can be applied to the wood surfaces that will help prevent a preventative, doesn't mean it's a guarantee, prevent wood destroying insects from doing damage to the homes, the log homes, the decks, and so forth that we work on. Two of the products we use, and just so we're clear, the Wizard of Wood is not being paid by these companies or anything to endorse these products that I'm about to talk about. There's other ones out there. These just happen to be the two that I use the most. There's a product called Outlast MBS 30. Okay, that's a real good one. That's what we use most of the time, and we put that right into our stain and just follow the instructions. And then when you apply that, you can add another layer of preventive maintenance regarding wood destroying insects, specifically the carpenter bees, because the carpenter bees are the tough ones, you know. They really do a lot of damage. Now, just to expand on that a little bit, I have other videos where I've explained this, but it's actually not the carpenter bees that are really doing the damage. The carpenter bees drill that nice perfect hole in that you can actually put a wood plug, you know, they fit perfect. Normally what we do is we'll put some steel wool, some wood putty, we stain it, boom, and that's it. However, what happens is when they go in and they lay the eggs, then what happens is the woodpeckers will come to feed off the eggs and they cause the damage, and that's the damage you see on fascia and on logs and so forth, the woodpecker damage. If you're we used to do pest control way back when, but if you really want to get rid of carpenter bees too, and you're having an issue and you're not about to stain anytime soon, and you're having that issue, you really need at least 2 treatments, because the eggs will not, it doesn't destroy the bees in the eggs when the pesticide's applied, whether it's a dust, liquid, borates, whatever it is that the company you've hired is using. So what happens is they need to come back in after 30 days and then reapply, and that really helps get rid of the bees. But I digress. Another one we use is bug juice. It's literally called bug juice, and the company is Willa Walla or Willa Walla, I believe, that puts this out. This is another one that we use, and a lot of times it depends on whether we have it in stock. And I actually thought I had this in stock in our shop, and I didn't. I have the Outlast, which means we've used this probably the last time we did it. But depending on which vendor we're at and where we're getting our different products from, might be depends on who carries which. But I like them both interchangeable. And this is a really good preventive. So if you're a homeowner and you're watching this, nice thing to add if you're having problems with carpenter bees, wood destroying insects. And if you're a contractor, same thing. And it's a nice upsell to offer, and also separates you from your customer or other, not customer, but your other competitors when you're, you know, bidding on a job and you're providing this service that maybe they don't. So you have both of these options, and I'm sure there's other options out there as well. But the point of this video is there are additives you can add to the stains or sealers that you're using to help prevent damage from wood destroying insects, or, like I said, the woodpeckers that come for the eggs from the wood destroying insects, carpenter bees. So anyway, that's my little video and tip for today is use these type of products when needed. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Hope this video is helpful to you. Have a great day.